Hello people, today we're going to be making some Goan mancakes. You'll need some desiccated coconut, black jaggery. You need to smash it. I've done it with the help of a Ziploc bag and a hammer. It should be a consistency wherein you can mash it with your fingers. Now I like creating a dam in between my desiccated coconut and then add the jaggery to it. And then initially I like mixing it with the help of a spoon, and then I like getting my hands dirty. I basically mean mashing the jaggery with the desiccated coconut. All of the ingredients will be listed down in the description box below. Also, if you do not live in Goa or you do not live in India, you should be able to find jaggery at any Asian store very easily. So this is how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to look very well combined, and it is very dry, but trust me, later on it's the most delicious thing you could ever have. So I've taken some maida, aka all-purpose flour, but I've taken some self-raising flour. So if you do not have self-raising flour at home, you can add some baking powder to it, sift it with the help of a sifter, then add in some salted haste. Again, creating a dam. I'm gonna crack an egg, and of course I'm gonna show off that I can do the one hand crack. And then I'm gonna cover it, and then with the help of a hand whisk, I'm gonna whisk it all together. You need to form a very runny consistency batter. If you made dosas before, it is a similar kind of batter consistency, but a bit more on the runnier side. So this is supposed to be the consistency of your batter, very runny, very smooth. Now I'm going to take a tawa. You can also take a pan, and I'm going to grease it with the help of some ghee. If you do not have ghee, you can use some butter so that the mancake does not stick, of course, to the pan. I'm going to wait for the ghee to heat up. So I'm going to take a spoon. You can use a spoon that measures quarter of a cup or even 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to pour it in the center, and it will automatically spread outwards. You can go further on and with the help of the base of your spoon spread the batter. Wait for the bottom to form. You will get to know when you see a couple of bubbles on the top. Flip it and then let it cook for about a minute to 2, and then take it off on a plate. Don't let it cool down. When it's a bit warm, take about a tablespoon of the mixture that we made earlier on, place it towards one end of the mancake and roll it once, then fold in the sides just like that, and then roll the mancakes until the end of the other side of the circle. So we're gonna do it one more time. Place it towards one end, fold in the sides, and roll it out. So this is the end of the video, guys. If you do try out the recipe, do not forget to give me a review regarding it in the comment section down below, and do tag me on Instagram if you upload a story. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.